As long as
little fish just die all the time.
no, there was too much nitrates in the water. The nitrates were high. The other three fish just managed to survive it better. We really little buggers, I suppose, but we did a 20% water change to even out the nitrates, change the filters. He's doing
Hello, everybody. Hello.
water changes and
Bye-bye.
checking chemicals. And
Once you get that salt water set up, it pretty much does the thing.
no, you still have to check the chemicals and add water and make sure the salinity level is accurate.
Yeah, it should
The
not
ecosystem should be a lot more self-contained.
Yeah.
Although the freshwater ecosystem really isn't that bad either. But we've got 2 filters on the saltwater.